will walk a country miles to find her a good old slow-talking country boy. You see, the country boy, I'm about as old-fashioned as I can be, and I hope you're liking what you see. If you're looking at me, you're looking at country, yeah. You don't see no city when you look at me, 'cause country is all I am. I love riding barefoot to the old cornfields, and I love that country ham. Well, you say I'm made just to fit your plans, but there's a bind your shop will fit your hands. If your eyes are on me, you're looking at country. Yee-haw! Come on, boy. Yeah. This here country is a little green, and there's a lot of country that you ain't seen. I'll show you around if you show me wedding bed. I said wedding bed. When it comes to love, well, I know about that. Country folks, I know where it's at. If your eyes are on me, you're looking at country. Yeah. You don't see no city when you look at me, 'cause country is all I am. I love riding barefoot to the old cornfields, and I love that country ham. Well, you say I'm made just to fit your plans, but there's a bind your shop will fit your hands. If your eyes are on me, you're looking at country. If your eyes are on me, you're looking at country. Woo! When you look at me, 'cause country is all I am. I love riding barefoot to the old cornfields, and I love that country ham. Oh, well, you say I'm made just to fit your plans, but does it bind your shop will fit your hands? If your eyes are on me, you're looking at country. If your eyes are on me, you're looking at country. Yeah!
All right. 3, 4.
Crazy, I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. I'm crazy, crazy for feeling so blue. I you'd love me as long as you wanted, and then someday you'd leave me for somebody new. Worry, why do I let myself worry? Wondering what in the world did I do that my love could hold you. I'm crazy for crying and crazy for trying, and I'm crazy for loving you. Do I let myself worry? Wondering what in the world did I do? Oh, crazy for thinking that my could hold you. I'm crazy for crying and crazy for trying, and I'm crazy for loving you.
Bravo. Wow.